Good morning, class. I hope you all are fine, safe, and secure at your homes. And I hope you all had enjoyed your weekend a lot. So, let's move forward and start our today's class. Students, in today's class, we will discuss chapter number 4, long and short. Before moving forward, let's start today's class with a story. Long, long ago, there was a boy whose name was Rahul. Rahul usually wore half pants, but winter was coming. So, his father decided that he will buy some trousers for him. So, his father went to a shop and bought new trousers for him. When he returned home, Samir became very excited. He said, Papa, let's try this trouser. But when Rahul tried this, there was a big problem. The trousers were too short. Now Rahul became very sad. But his father said, Don't worry, I will change it. Now, father went back to the shop and this time he told the shopkeeper that he need long trousers. So, the shopkeeper gave him long trousers. Now, when father came back, this time the trousers were too long for Rahul, and again Rahul became very sad. स्टूडेंट्स, आपके साथ भी ऐसा ही होता है ना? जब भी आपको कोई नई चीज़ मिलती है तो आप उसे ट्राई करने के लिए बहुत ही एक्साइटेड होते हैं, बट अगर वो चीज़ आपकी पसंद की ना हो या साइज़ की ना हो तो आप दुखी हो जाते हैं। सिमिलरली राहुल भी ट्राउज़र को देख के दुखी हो गया। नाउ his father became confused. First time the trousers were too short and this time the trousers were too long. He was not getting that what is happening with that trouser. Now he went back to the shopkeeper and told his problem to the shopkeeper. Now the shopkeeper suggested Rahul's father that why don't you go and measure the Samir's leg? Then his father said, how could I do that? Because उस समय में किसी को भी मेज़र करना नहीं आता था, इसीलिए राहुल के फादर ने शॉपकीपर से पूछा कि वो कैसे समीर के लेग मेज़र कर सकता है। देन शॉपकीपर सजेस्टेड दैट यू कैन यूज योर हैंड स्पैन। Now Rahul's father know it that how to measure the trouser. He went back to home and using his hand span he measured the leg of Rahul and then came back to the shopkeeper and purchased a new trouser. And then when Rahul checked it, it was perfect. Rahul became very happy. So students, earlier people used to measure things using their different body parts, and it is called non-standard unit of measurement. Let's see some non-standard unit of measurement. Here, the first non-standard unit of measurement is arm span. Arm span means the distance from tip of middle finger of one hand to the tip of middle finger of other hand. As you can see here, the distance between tip of middle finger of one hand to the tip of middle finger of other hand. It is called one arm span. Okay. The second method is pace. What does it mean? It means the distance that you move when you take one step. So the distance between your one step is known as one pace. Right? The third method is hand span. What does hand span means? Hand span means the distance from the tip of smallest finger to the tip of thumb. So आप सभी के हाथ की smallest finger and thumb के बीच के distance को कहते हैं hand span. Okay? So students, let us discuss some more non-standard unit of measurement. We have already discussed what is hand span. The distance between your thumb and the little finger. Right? Now, palm. What does one palm distance mean? One palm distance means the distance between your middle finger and the wrist from where the palm is attached. Okay. The third method is digit. That means a distance between tip of your finger. The fourth one is cubit. The distance between your middle finger and your elbow. And what does pace mean? We have already discussed. One step, the distance between your one step is known as pace. Now what is foot span? Foot span is the distance between your foot thumb and the foot end. And what is arm span? This is also we have discussed earlier. The distance between both of your middle fingers. Right? Now students, earlier people used to measure different things using these non-standard units according to the size of object. For example, अगर आपको बड़ी चीज़ measure करनी है, so you will use longer unit of non-standard measurement. For example, अगर आपको room की length measure करनी है and आप उसे अगर finger tip से measure करेंगे, so it will take a lot time. So what you will do, आप उसे अपने pace से measure कर सकते हैं और foot span से measure कर सकते हैं. So it will be easier for you, right? But if you have to measure your pencil or your eraser, so eraser is very small, so you can use your digit, right? And if you have to measure your pencil, if the pencil is long, you can use palm or hand span, and if pencil is small, you can use digit. So you can use different unit of measurement according to your requirement. अपने हिसाब से आप चीज़ों की लेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग डिफरेंट यूनिट ऑफ नॉन स्टैंडर्ड मेजरमेंट को यूज़ कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपको डोर मेज़र करना है, सो डोर की लंबाई काफ़ी बड़ी होती है, सो यू कैन यूज़ योर क्यूबिट और योर आर्म स्पैन, राइट? सो आप चीज़ों के अकॉर्डिंग अलग अलग नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ आइटम्स दिए हैं, लाइक योर मैथमेटिक्स टेक्स्ट बुक, पेंसिल, लेंथ ऑफ योर मोबाइल स्क्रीन, लेंथ ऑफ योर बेड, लेंथ ऑफ योर leg, length of your water bottle. So you have to measure these using appropriate non-standard unit of मेजरमेंट, जिससे आपको इजी पड़े। ऐसा नहीं करना है कि आप रूम मेजर कर रहे हैं और फिंगर टिप से, सो इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बहुत टाइम लगेगा फिंगर टिप से मेजर करने में, आपका टाइम भी वेस्ट होगा, एनर्जी भी वेस्ट होगी। सो आपको अप्रोप्रिएट, दैट मीन्स जो उसके लिए सूटेबल हो वो नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट चूज करना है एंड उसी से आपको मेजर करना है। सो नाउ देयर इज एन एक्टिविटी फॉर यू। ये एक्टिविटी आपको करनी है। यहाँ मैंने 10 आइटम्स के नाम दिए हैं। You have to identify which non-standard unit will be appropriate to measure these items. For example, if you have to measure the length of room, what you can do? You can use your foot span and you can use pace step also, right? So आप यहाँ पर उस नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट का नाम लिखेंगे जिसको यूज करके आप इन चीज़ों को मेजर करेंगे एंड यहाँ आप उसका मेजरमेंट लिखेंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई मेजर्ड द लेंथ ऑफ माई रूम, आई गॉट 20 foot span. So I will write here, I have used foot span, so I will write foot span here and I will write 20 foot span in this column. And in the last column, you have to write the measurement of your parents or your sibling. Same thing को आप भी अपने फुट स्पैन से मेजर करेंगे एंड सेम थिंग को आप अपने पेरेंट्स या सिबलिंग को मेजर करने के लिए बोलेंगे और उनका मेजरमेंट यहाँ लिखेंगे और इसी तरह इस टेबल को कंप्लीट करेंगे एंड देन we will discuss this table in our next class. So that's all for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you. Have a nice day.